Picture this. You're about to share your latest gaming masterpiece and you hit that record button with excitement. But wait, is your video coming out as crisp and clear as you imagine? No, I don't think so. If you ever wonder how to take your recording quality from good to jaw-dropping, you're in the right place. Today we are unlocking the best secrets for recording with OBS Studio that will make your content shine brighter than ever before. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to make your recordings truly epic. Hey there champs, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting topic to dive into. It's all about optimizing your recording experience with OBS. I know many of you have been asking about the best settings for that crystal clear capture, so buckle up because we're about to make your recordings game strong. But before we jump into 90-gritty, let me give you a quick rundown of what we're going to cover today. We'll be exploring the key settings in OBS that can take your recording quality to the next level. Stick around because I'm sharing some game-changing tips that will make your content stand out. You might be wondering, why does it even matter? Well, my friends, the right OBS settings can make or break your recordings. It's not just about hitting that record button, it's about creating content that's crisp and clear and captivating. So let's talk about why choosing the right setting is so crucial. Before we dive into the software side of things, I'll quickly show you my PC specs so you can make an idea roughly of what PC you have and what PC I have and how the settings work. So let's get on. So these are my settings. You can quickly press pause and have a look and compare them to your PC and see if they're right for you. Now let's get hands-on and navigate through the OBS settings. I'll show you exactly where to find those crucial options that will make a world of a difference in your recordings. Follow along as we explore the software together. Here is where the magic happens. Go to the settings, go to the output section, then recordings, and in here you want to change it from whatever resolution you have to 2560 by 1440 and 3500 bitrate. Then you want to go down to the video and change it the same on 60 FPS. Now I'm going to mention these are the best settings that work for me. It might not work for you exactly, but they work for me really well. So if you want to follow along, just copy all my settings. Now we can't forget about the audio. A crystal clear video with muddy audio just doesn't cut it, does it? We'll delve into microphone and system audio settings, and we've got some tips to help you achieve the perfect balance. Let's make sure your audience can hear every word clearly. Now, I know my microphone and my sound doesn't sound perfectly right now. It's because I run into a small issue, which I'm going to solve it tomorrow morning, but this video couldn't wait, so I had to record it like this. So once again, we have to go to the settings, then audio section. And now because I run this to a dual PC setup, I have to set it to my line in. So basically that's all I have to do now. But the important thing is, when you have a lot of scenes and a lot of sources, you're gonna get multiple audio sources. So what you wanna do, just leave on only the microphone and your desktop if you only have a single PC, or if you have a dual PC, only leave in the audio input capture. Otherwise you're gonna get some buzzing sound and some echoing sound. So what you wanna do is press mute on every single one of them, and get this and drop it right until the end to every single one of them. Like this, you're gonna have that crispy and nice and clear sound ever. And there you have it, our deep dive into the best OBS settings for recordings. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now it's your turn. Apply these settings, test them out, and let me know how it goes in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, happy recordings, people.